guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Theo. In the previous videos, I already showed you around the Kambaniru Beach Hotel and Resort, and now I'm gonna show you the room where I'm staying in. But first of all, have you noticed the water dispenser outside of the room? In the corridor? Yes, that's where we're gonna get our water. So if you run out of water in the middle of the night, you grab your water jug and then you go to corridor and refill it with water from the water dispenser. Here I got one water dispenser in front of my room, very convenient. Now the room that I'm staying is Deluxe Twin Room with garden view. So in this hotel you got two kind of view, the garden view and the sea view. The sea view mostly located in the second floor. So this is the first floor. And the room costs 600,000 rupiahs or equivalent to 41.71 US dollars. Now for the room, it is 26 square meters for 2 guests, so it is quite spacious and it has coffee/tea maker, air conditioning and hot water. Well, I do need the AC to survive the hot and dry weather of Sumba, especially in September when I went there. The unique thing about this hotel is we didn't get like the water bottle, for the mineral water. Instead, we get water jugs and 2 glasses. So, if you're thirsty, you need to fill out the jugs outside at the dispenser. You see, when we are walking through the hall to get to the room, they get like water dispenser. Well, I don't know the exact reason for this, but I guess this is about the environmentally friendly hotel where they limit the plastic waste. If it's that, then it's a good thing then. Now, for my experience in this hotel, it was pretty good. The room is spacious, it's bright, and it's very comfortable. The only annoying thing that happened when I'm staying here is the Wi-Fi is bad. Perhaps it's because of the global internet disturbance when one of the undersea cable get cut off. Because of that, I have to rely on my cellular internet, and the reception in my room is also bad. So whenever I have to make a video call or have to browse important data or I have to access my YouTube videos, I have to go outside at the pool or at the lobby. That's where you get reception. So that's my only problem. The rest is very enjoyable and I can recommend it to another tourist who is traveling to Sumba because this hotel is affordable and it's comfortable. So that's all my video for today. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on my next video. Ciao!